Okusokera ddala happy anniversary.
Thank you.
14 incredible years.
Yeah.
Message ki joyina eri mukyala wo ze n'abantu abatana bagenda mu bufumbo obutukuvu?
Well, it is actually 24 years of love and 14 years of holy marriage. Twalina ebbabi emyaka 10 nga tebana batugata. Ate tugatiddwa sesa kati myaka 14 emirungi ennyo. Twebaza Katonda olw'ekirabo kino, nebaza Katonda olw'ekirabo kya Babi kye yampa. Ne bw'atanyongera birabo birala, ebirala byonna bonus. Bwe yampa ye, byonna yabimalayo. So I'm very happy. I wish you a wonderful anniversary, Babi. You're the most amazing thing that has happened to me, and I hope I'm the most amazing thing that has happened to you. Peace.
Eri abantu abo balabirako kapo yammwe oba kaki buyinza obbawa nga tebanagenda mu holy marriage?
Batukope nnyo ne bakopeko ebirungi kuba tetutuukiridde. Just batukopeko ebirungi ate si kyamaanyi nnyo kisoboka. Kisoboka osobola okuwangala ne munno just kumu-understanding naye nakwana. Lwaki onfuula motivational speaker sawa zino?
Tukusanze wano mu rehearsals. Ekyamazima kyo taakite navaako. Omanyi music alinga mupiira. Nti olumu olwawo okubeera ku stage, olumu taakyevaako. Okikuuma otya?
Webuuza ekyo kinkuuma kitya? Music yankuuma sinza mukuuma. Kino oba kinzaala nakyo. So it's just a matter of kufuna opportunity. Oyo yenze buli wenfuna omukisa bane expressinga kyendi kuba buli muntu Katonda yamuwa ebirabo n'ebitendo ebibi. Sinange kino kirabo kyange ng'omusambi w'omupiira, omuwandiisi w'ebitabo, ng'omusizi w'ebifaananyi, era nkyenyumirizaamu. Era neesonga olunaku lwe ndifuna omukisa, lwe ndifuna eddembe lyange okweyagalira mu kirabo kyange n'okikolamu akasente kuba kino ekirabo kyampa amajja.
Come next month ogenda bo performingira abantu be London.
Yeah.
Abantu basuubire ki, of course music. Oli mukana yeah.
Abantu basuubire just a conversation, a musical conversation together. Gibadde emyaka mingi nnyo nasembayo okufuna omukisa okuperforminga nga ndi London oluvannyuma lw'emyaka mingi era gwe mukisa gwe ngenda okuddamu okufuna. So London and my music is like conjoined twins. Nesunze zensinza okwesunga okubayimbiramu, okubanyumizaamu, okuwaya. Nze bwe mba ku stage si bya performance kuba sikola kikwata. Mood ebeera waawo. Mwoyo wa Mukama bwaka kyandagira okukola kyenkola. So Katonda yaba nkozesa ekiseera ekyo. Yeah.
So Bobi Wine, ever since we were in Uganda, you have always been performing outside. Era ogenda ne band yonna. Tugambe nti musical has not been affected that much. How do you rate yourself?
What do you mean music has not been affected?
Still you can move out with the whole band.
Yeah. No. When our nation was born, beautiful and endowed with the promise of democracy, with unity in diversity, all of them on a mission to build a nation that will make life better for the next generation. Well, indeed, with that generation, the grandchildren of the independence generation, and yes, the grandparents of the future generations. So we must, within ourselves, find solutions, since our leaders don't care about the next generation. The religious leaders don't care about the next generation. Cultural leaders don't care about the next generation. The next generation don't care about the next generation.
Uganda.
better one. Some are brave beauty, Uganda, we are the country, we are the future, we are the change body. We are the youngest population in the world, we stand a chance. We are the leaders of the future, and the future is today. If we only come together, we can change our destiny. Oh, be my good and do your mazima, we're fully now. Uganda. Perform live in the UK. For the final time before we go to the elections. We'll be with you on the 6th of September in the Ugandan Festival. Ugandan Festival, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, UK, we're coming to you with a whole solid band. And in a special way, we'll be performing live with the legendary Paddyman. Yeah. We are the country, we are the future, we are the changing world we live. London, September 6th, for this Friday. That's the vibes. Yes, sir. Man. See you in London, September 6th. All right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, UK, we're coming to you with a whole solid band. And in a special way, we'll be performing live with the legendary Paddyman. Yeah. We are the country, we are the future, we are the changing family. London, September 6th, for this Friday. That's the vibes. Yes, sir. Man. See you in London, September 6th. I will just be money, not money, you need my to the moon and back. And back and back and back and back again. Forever and ever and ever. See? Alright, Taxi Vibes. Remember that. This Friday, Taxi Vibes maiden concert. All white. Sin. Man. 14 years ago, I walked down the aisle. It's like only yesterday. Turns out to be, it's been the most beautiful 14 years of my life. Happy anniversary to myself. Happy anniversary to you, man. Love you to the max.
Wanda